Recently, dry process recycled pulp has become a hot topic in the paper and environmental protection industries. Amid strict reviews by relevant national authorities on imported recycled pulp, some voices in public discourse have conflated dry process cleaning and deflaking pulping with traditional dry pulverizing, even questioning whether the former is a disguised form of importing waste. In fact, as early as 2022, the new dry process waste paper pulping technology complete set of equipment for dry process cleaning and deflaking pulping technology, led by Shandong Jiefeng Machinery Manufacturing Co., Ltd., had passed the Scientific and Technological Achievement Appraisal of the China National Light Industry Council. It was recognized as a mature and advanced technology that has reached international leading levels as a whole. In 2024, it was awarded the third prize for scientific and technological progress by the China National Light Industry Council, marking its maturity and industry value as officially recognized. This technology is not a crude grinding process but a comprehensive, systematic engineering solution integrating physical cleaning, graded deflaking, sterilization, and intelligent control. China Pulp and Paper Industry, the authoritative media for understanding China's paper industry.